Hey guys, I just wanted to take you through real quick and help you figure out how to use this program if you've never used it before, and also especially since we're going to do a module here, I want to make sure you know how to navigate through it. So you're going to go into your module here. It's the same directions that I gave you in the assignment. So you're going to have one of these modules assigned to you. I have them all here just because I have access to all of them, but you're going to have one of these assigned to you, and you're going to go into it like this, and you're going to go to day one, click on day one, and you're going to go to the first page, and you're going to read through the information, go through the information, skip to the next page, go through again. Make sure you're scrolling down so you get through all the material. And if there's a question here, go ahead and try and answer the question. It doesn't count against you or anything, but go ahead and answer the question. Keep moving through. If there's videos, make sure that you're watching the videos. You need to go all the way through, and then you're going to end up at the activity. And this is how all the days happen. So it's going to say, in this activity, you will define some of the common terms in the fields of orthotics and prosthetics. And you're going to go through here, watch this video, and down here, you're going to actually submit an assignment. Okay, and where you find the assignment is over here. It says Biomedical Engineering Terminology Worksheet, and you need to download it. Don't just look at it, you got to download it, and then once it downloads for you, you're going to pull it up. Now you want it to be in an actual Adobe program like this, or some kind of PDF program. Okay, if you click it and it pops up as a new tab over here, don't fill that one out and try and turn that in, because it won't save your information. It needs to be in an actual PDF program like this, like Adobe, and then you fill it out here. You can see how it actually gives you the ability to fill in the fields. Okay, and then once you do that, you got to save it. When you save, click File, and then Save As, and go find a place to put it, wherever you want to put it. But make sure when you save it, it should say something like this: Biomedical Engineering Terminology Worksheet, or something like that. If it's got a bunch of numbers and letters, change that name so that you know what it is, because if you keep it as a bunch of numbers and letters, there's no way you're going to find that information. Just make sure it's got a name that you can recognize so you can go find it later, because you're going to use it to turn it in. So again, you're going to put this information in here and fill it out, save it, and it'll save all your information on here as long as you have it open in an actual Adobe or PDF program. Okay, remember, if you try and save one that's on a search engine, it won't save. Okay, so once you save it, then it's going to ask you to submit your file. Now, I'm not a student, so it's not showing me the same thing that you're going to get, but it's going to give you a little submit button right here. You click on that submit button, and then it'll say choose file. Choose the file, and you go find that file you just saved, and then you click submit. Once you do that, it'll show up this little blue file right here. It'll say the word file, and it'll be blue. If you click on that, it'll pop up the file that you submitted, and it'll show it to you so you can make sure it's the right one. Once you do that, then you're good. You just have to, this little prompt right here, describe what you learned in this activity. You just have to fill in that box real quick, some information that you learned, just a little short answer to that question, and then you're done with day one. So it can be a little confusing when you first start using this program and how to turn in the files and everything. So I wanted to go through it with you. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, and I'll be happy to help you. But hopefully this video helps you figure out how to do it.